Package acquired. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're starting off today's video in my F80 M3, and obviously a cold Red Bull on a cold morning, which is the right way to start your mornings. As you guys can probably tell from the title of this video, we are hosting another car show. So the last time we hosted a car show was like 2 years ago, and it had a pretty big turnout, and that time we did it for like donations for our home country of Armenia, which was going through a war. But this time we decided to do a car show slash like toy drive, kind of like a Toys for Tots kind of thing. We actually wanted to do this last year too, but for some reason we didn't end up doing it. But this year we got a spot and we're doing it, but obviously the only issue we have is rain. It's freaking raining outside, which completely sucks because this is the only day we could have done it. But we're still hosting it because it's not for us, it's for the kids. So hopefully we get a good turnout. We're gonna be charging people either a toy to get in or $5 to get in, which will go towards a toy either way. So if someone doesn't bring a toy and they have $5, we'll gather all that money and buy a bunch of toys at the end of this video, and then we're gonna be taking all those toys that we collect today to the local Valley Children's Hospital. So that should be cool. We actually did this like 2 years ago, but it was just between me and my friends. We just gathered a bunch of toys and we took it over there. I have a few videos out about that, so if you guys want to go check that out, you guys can. But yeah, I'm gonna be pulling up to the spot right now. We'll see if anyone's there. We're just gonna chill, set up, and hopefully wait for a few cars. So it looks like we got the homie Sam with all his boys right here. Looks like they're setting up a canopy, so we're gonna see what's going on real quick.
What's good, y'all? Mafia here. We're at a toy drive, getting started. We got the cars lining up slowly. We got the boys here under the canopy.
We had that real vlog camera.
Yes, sir. We got my car right here. We got Speed Trix's, his wife's LS. We got Arturo's D46, Ray's Camaro, and Zypher, the infamous Z. Over on this side, we got two M6s. If you spot the difference, I'll catch up you $5. Got the M2, and I'm pretty sure you guys know this car this is already. The famous F80 M3. Damn, daddy! That's good, baby.
Starting my own little parking area right here with the Lexuses.
Yeah. We got a nice Lexus. Where's this? That new IS? We got an E30. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. Fitment's nice on it. I have a nice E36, but buddy, you need low, cat. We got the channel owner right there. We got Mikey's Rolls Royce over here. Looking real nice. Sometimes you gotta keep a Rolls Royce stock. Sheesh. My guy's clean ass Accord. Sheesh. We got Greg pulling up again.
Message.
Got Nautic pulling up. Posted with the bums. Early morning. What's up, Doc? Heard you got pulled over on the way back.
Yeah, I got to sit around. There's a guy.
Hey, that's not funny.
Yeah, I know a lawyer. There was a guy for Vernon Towing. He took a picture.
You popped your hood?
He popped
your hood?
Yeah.
What?
Hold on. Keep it.
What happened? Why'd he pull you over?
It was like, of course, too loud.
Sure.
And you got tint and you got no
But you got no
license plate.
And then?
You gave him a kiss, huh?
No, bro, I got on my knees. I was like, hey, what up, officer? He's all like, keep up my hood. I'm like, yeah. He's like, get out of the car. Oh, okay.
Ain't gonna pop it itself.
Pops it while sitting down. I got you, bro. Go ahead.
That's what I did. I popped it. He's like, can you get out? I'm like, yeah, sure. I get out, open the hood, put that shit
Did you
up.
make sure to turn your little headlamp on so you can see better?
Yeah. So,
His little snap-on
Officer, you want to see in there? He's looking at it and he's all like, "Oh, so what's done to it?" I'm like, "Nothing." He's like, "Why is it loud when it's stuck?" Are you sure? I'm like, "No, it's gotta be closed."
Nah, just kidding.
No, buddy. It hasn't.
He's all like, "Let me see your information." He's like, "You have any cats?" I'm like, "Yeah, just
Passed mark 3 years ago.
When I bought it.
He gets my stuff, he goes to the car, he comes back. He's all like, "Here's your paperwork." I'm like, no, Tick's like, no. I'm like, "You sure?" He's like, "Yeah." I said, "You sure?"
Why'd you ask? You sure, bro?
Man,
sure? No.
Hey, the man's doing his job.
He didn't say anything about me sliding or changing.
No, he doesn't care about a fucking stock ass.
Say it again, say it again. What?
Stock ass stock too.
Hey, it's just clean ass for being stock. Clean ass for being stock.
Bro, thank you.
Actually did a drift in front of
Yeah.
He pulled him
I
over.
didn't see the CHP.
I'm all like, "Damn, now I just gonna get pulled over." I'm like, "Oh fuck." He's behind me. I see Ash pulling into Dutch Bros. I'm like, "Oh shit." Again, bro.
Hey, get me a coffee, yeah? Give me a good coffee, not some whack ass shit.
What's good coffee, bro?
I don't know, just anything good. Go. Bro, you don't even fit in that car. Drive.
Go.
Get 3 McChickens.
3 McChickens and cheese.
Guys, we actually had a pretty decent lineup of cars today, even though the weather wasn't really on our side. But yeah, so we got all the Beamers all lined up right here.
What are you doing?
I'm just gonna show them the toys. We got a trunk full of toys, guys. Shout out to everyone here. We brought a bunch of toys for the kids. We might go pick up some more. Actually, yeah, we are gonna go pick up some more. Let me hear it real quick, Tony.
I'll do everything, bro, eventually.
The boy Tony just got the C92 M3.
I'm on the vlog, hey!
Give me a quick rev or two. Alright guys, we're all actually dipping out right now from the show. It was a decently good turnout. I mean, at least we got a lot of toys, that's all that matters. But we're gonna go get some food right now, probably some Chick-fil-A, and then we're gonna go to a store, buy a bunch more toys, and then probably go to the hospital and drop off all the toys. So I'll catch you guys at Chick-fil-A. The aftermath. Alright guys, today's actually like a few days later. It's actually a Tuesday. What's up guys? Boys Nodek and George are here. It's George's birthday today, so wish happy birthday to him in the comments, which you guys probably won't. I just wanted to show you guys, Nodek and the boys went and picked up a bunch of toys and they filled up Nodek's M3's trunk with it, so huge shout out to them. And then obviously from the car show, we had a bunch of toys donated, so my trunk is full, his trunk is full. We're gonna go to Valley Children's Hospital right now and donate all the toys. So yeah, let's head out there. So I was actually supposed to go with them shopping and like record the whole process and stuff like that, but I was actually busy and I couldn't go. But yeah, shout out to all the boys who went and shopped for all those toys. Shout out to Ash, shout out to KHL, Haj and Haraj for donating a lot of those toys. So huge shout out to them. We actually had to wait till Monday or Tuesday when the donation department is open in order to go donate all these toys. Before you would just be able to walk in there and there's like a huge bin and you could just put all the toys in there, but I guess they don't do that anymore. So hopefully everything goes as planned and we can donate all these toys today. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the hospital. Now we're gonna go ahead and figure out where we're gonna drop these toys off and then I'll get back to you guys.
I'll grab the item.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Do you guys do this every year or is it?
Yeah, we try to, yeah.
Oh, nice. Are you guys local?
Yeah.
Is it for like school or work?
We did like a car show toy drive. It's just that it was raining that day, so we couldn't get too many toys.
Yeah.
One's definitely not. Alright guys, we just left Valley Children's Hospital. Donations went well. I just wish we could have got more toys, to be honest. I wish more people showed up to the car show. But next year, we're definitely going to plan it much bigger because I want to fill those bins up like all the way. There was like 2 of those bins. I don't know if you guys saw in the video that well, but hopefully we can fill them up next year. Honestly, it felt really good to do this. They even gave us like a thank you card right here, which has a picture of like all the staff and then just a bunch of written thank yous. So shout out to the Valley Children's team for that. But without further ado, that's gonna bring us to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos to come. If you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because that's what's gonna help the channel out a lot. And comment down below what you guys think about the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.